lying beside you here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, and you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind? We sailed on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say, and so here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love means to me. Open arms. Living without you, living alone. This empty house seems so cold, and wanting to hold you, wanting you near. How much I wanted you. Oh, and now that you come back tonight and today, I need you to stay. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say, and so here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love means to me. Open arms.